complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo to this listening class to hear what we learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Great, Emma. I am ready to listen and practice.
First, vocabulary, colors. Second, grammar, a and an, singular and plural nouns.
Colors and small grammar words are very useful in daily life.
Exactly, so listen for them naturally and follow the main dialogues now. Buying clothes. Hi, I need a sweater for work.
Of course. Do you want a light color or a dark color?
Maybe a blue sweater. Do you have small sizes?
Yes, we have small and medium sweaters here.
This red one is nice, but I prefer blue.
No problem. Here is a blue one in small.
Great. Is it on sale?
Yes, it is $20 today.
Perfect. I will take it.
Great. The register is over there.
Getting a library card. Hello, I want a library card.
Sure. Do you have an ID?
Yes, here is my ID.
Thank you. Please write your name and address on this form.
Do I need a pen?
Here is a blue pen.
Can I take books today?
Yes, you can take 3 books for 2 weeks.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy the library.
Buying movie tickets. Hi, I need 2 tickets for the comedy.
Sure, the next show is at 7.
Do you have an aisle seat?
Yes, we have blue seats in row 5.
That is fine. Are the seats together?
Yes, 2 seats together near the middle.
How much are the tickets?
They are $18.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Here are your tickets. Enjoy the movie.
Asking at the train station. Excuse me, I need a ticket to Brighton.
1 ticket to Brighton. Single or return?
A return ticket, please.
Okay, there is an early train at 9.
Is platform 2 near here?
Yes. Follow the red line on the floor.
Good. How long is the trip?
About 40 minutes.
Thank you. I will go now.
You are welcome. Have a good trip.
Joining a fitness class. Hi, I want to try a yoga class.
Welcome. We have a class at 6 today.
Do I need an appointment?
No. Just write your name here.
Where is the room? It is behind the green door. Do I need a mat?
Yes, but we have mats for visitors.
Great. I am ready.
Enjoy the class.
Nice work, Nexo. These real dialogues help us hear simple English in action.
Yes, I noticed colors and the use of a and an in normal situations.
That is the goal. Understand useful language without stopping the conversation.
I feel more confident now.
Great. Goodbye, Nexo. And goodbye to everyone watching.